Hey there, YouTube. This is Ebron from Programming Tube, adding another tutorial to this amazing playlist of Java programming tutorials. And today, we're going to be learning about variables. And variables are very important things in Java. They're going to be used in a lot of programs because variables are not only used for small things, they're also used for big things. Like, yeah, you can use them in games. You can use them in like like if you're making a calculator in Java, they're gonna be very helpful. Like like it's very important in Java. You're gonna use it a lot. So today we're gonna be learning about the basics of variables. So first we need to make a new class in our folder that we made last time, new Java class, and we're gonna call it variables. And I'm gonna put number 2 after because that's our second tutorial. Press finish, and bam, there we go. And if this ever happens to you, and this happens like this, all you need to do, I know there's two right there. All you need to do is just right press, and then you press exclude, and then you press on the other one, and you press go to build path, and again you press include, and see the problem is fixed. And just need to do what we did last time. Public static void main string args, bam, curly brackets, press enter, and bam, there we go. We give it another enter, and we start making variables. And how to make variables? Variables are very easy to make. You just have to type int, and then whatever you call your variable. I mean, in math, we used to call variables x, we used to call them y, we used to tell them letters, and then point them numbers. But this time, we're going to be making an equation on how many people there are in a class. So we're going to say let's say we're just going to type boys, and let's say there's 12 boys in a class. And let's make another variable, girls, sorry. If I don't type it in the word, I just miss it. Okay, let's say there's 9 girls in a class. And let's make a last variable, which is gonna be the population. So we're gonna call it population. And we're not gonna give them the answer. We're not gonna tell them what the answer is. We're gonna give them the equation, and Java is gonna be able to use it. Be able to solve the equation because they have their own calculators put in the program. So let's just say boys, and you don't have to type in before and boys and girls because it's already recognized. You already made the variable, so all you need to write is just what the variable is called, and then another enter. And let me show you something cool. If you go on here, it will show you that you've already used it. It will highlight where you've used it, and in big programs it's going to be very useful because you use it many times, so you want to see where you used it. And if you press on girls, it will also show you that it was used here. Now there's an error on population because it hasn't been used yet, so let's use it. So what we have to type is system. Sorry, my caps lock icon just pulled up. Out dot print line. Sorry, there has been problems with my keyboard for a while. And do the quotation marks, and we need to type the beginning part of the answer of what you're going to show us in the console. So let's just say the population of the class is this. I mean, I have to give it that extra space because it needs it. And putting variables here, we can't just list the variable name. We have to add an addition mark, and we just put the variable. So we're gonna add the variable population. And then we just put this at the end. Bam! Our program is done. So again, if you just press on this, it's gonna be already used. It's gonna tell us that it's been used here. And when you run this, you'll see what happens. It says the population of the class is 21. And that is just basics on how to use variables. Now, please, guys, practice this because it's gonna become easier every time you practice with these variables. And thank you for keeping up with me. I am out.